I've been in the market for a new microphone for quite some time now. Just to be clear, there's nothing wrong with my current microphone, it's very good, but I work from my office at home and I also work from my office in the city, and taking the microphone to and from the office, often several times a week, is getting a little bit tedious. So I've bought a new microphone. For those of you who don't know what I do though, I create training material, be it e-learning courses, videos, handouts, whatever really, and lots of the work that I do requires a voiceover because people think I have a very nice voice. So why didn't I just buy the same microphone again? Well, I've got the Snowball microphone and it is very, very good. It's excellent actually, but I fancied a change. Variety is the spice of life, and I'll be honest, the one I bought looks pretty cool and has some excellent features on it. So what have I gone for? I've gone for the Fifine Ampligame A8 and I bought it from Amazon. The company, I'll be honest, never heard of them, but the website looked really slick and I was instantly drawn into it. It's got some really good reviews on Amazon, so I thought I'll give it a go. Worst case scenario, I'd send it back. Something to make you aware of, I'm actually recording this video using the Fifine Ampligame A8 for the voiceover, so this should give you a very good understanding as to the quality of it. And whilst I've got your attention, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It makes all the difference. The more subscriptions and the more views and the more likes I get, the more reviews of products I can do. Now, back to the microphone. First impressions, it looks really cool. I've gone for the A8 version, and there's a black one, which is the one I've gone for, but there's also a white and a pink one available on the website. It's got nice weight to it. It's easy to assemble. It actually came assembled in a box. There wasn't anything for me to do with it. Just adjust this bit at the back just to change the location or the kind of angle of the microphone itself. You get an extra little attachment if you want to add it to a stand, or one of those big arms that you move around, so you can do that very easily. Let's have a look around the microphone. You can see on the back here there's this little knob. This is actually to turn the microphone up and down in terms of its volume. This is a really nice feature, so if you find that you're recording too loud or too quietly, you can make an adjustment. You can also adjust this on the fly, so if you're a streamer, so if you're on Twitch or something like that, and you've got your viewers are complaining you're a bit too loud, just make an adjustment. So here we can see, here's my desk. This is the new microphone going onto it. You can see the length of the cable. To put that in context, that screen there is a 34-inch screen. Okay, so it should give you an idea as to how long the cable is. There is the cable, like I say, USB, USB-C. Very easy to plug in. Pick it up. You've got two sockets, a headphone jack and a USB-C socket. So putting the cable in, click, cable's in place. The other end goes into my USB port. For anyone wondering, Lenovo X1 Carbon laptop. It's very nice. And that's it. You can see the microphone is lit up. Look at that, look at the nice red. Now on the top there we've got a mute button. I'll play around with that later in the video. But you can see here the build quality of it is an excellent microphone. You can see there's a pop filter on the front. The pop filter can be removed. I've got my headphones here. And this is to show you me plugging in my headphones into it. Now the reason you can do this is so you can plug this in there, you can actually hear yourself, you can hear how loud you are. So once again, if you're streaming or you're doing some recordings, you can kind of hear how loud it is coming back to you. It's not a feature I'm going to use very often, if ever, but it's nice to have. Plug it in, put your headphones on, and that's it. There's nothing else to do. It's really easy. No need for any software. So this is the volume control. Very easy to use. There you go, up and down. Doesn't get much more easy than that in all honesty. And that's the volume for recording your own voice. So if you find it just too loud, just turn it down a little bit. On the top mute button, if it's red, you're muted. If it's green, you're live. This is great. I've been using this in Teams calls and in Zoom calls, and it works absolutely perfectly. I've been purposely trying it out. It's easier than having to kind of move my mouse and click on the Teams thing, especially in Teams. I've got a tendency to leave the call by mistake, but not on this. Simply click the button, or tap the button I should say at the top, I'm muted. And this is how you change the colours. Look at those colours on the go there. What we're on now, green, blue. It really adds something nice to my desk. You can also have it on that mode there where it's slowly moving through the colours. Adds a bit of nice mood to the desk. A lot of people will like this. A lot of people have those LED lights on the back of their monitors and underneath their desk. Well, this is a great addition to it as well. My keyboard lights up, my mouse lights up. I've got a new computer as well, new laptop, a new gaming one with the keyboard and that lights up. Yeah, it's a lovely addition to it. So with everything else lighting up, why not have a microphone lighting up as well? It looks great. Let's look at that pop filter. I don't want the pop filter anymore. There you go, removed it. I did it with one hand whilst using my phone to record it. Pop filter back on. It's really nice that. I have noticed that it means I don't need to buy a separate pop filter. For those who don't understand the pop filter, it's just to get rid of the extra noise when you're saying p and b. Now let's do a little comparison. These are my headphones. They're Plantonic headphones. They're quite standard ones that you often get when you join a company. They're very good. Yeah, I've been using them for quite a few years now. They're damaged even in terms of the fluffy bit going around the edge, but the technology works. It's very, very good. No complaints there. But let's see the quality of that compared to the quality of the new microphone that I've got. So this is the Plantonics headphones. This is me recording into the microphone. This is me recording into the microphone. Let's see how good the quality is. And now this is the Fifine Ampligame A8. This is me recording into the microphone. This is me recording into the microphone. Let's see how good the quality is. My question to you is, do you need to know anything else about this? You saw the quality difference there. It is phenomenal. I've been in meetings and people have been saying, you are coming through a lot clearer. So it's excellent. You saw how easy it is to use. I plugged it in, it instantly worked. There's nothing else to do with that. You can see the lights there and how nice they look. You can see, I've shown you how to mute it and unmute it. Is it better than my Snowball microphone? I'm going to do a separate review on it, but spoiler alert, yes, it is better. Okay, I've only used it for a week or so now, but it's better than the Snowball. And the Snowball's the one that everyone says go and get. The Snowball's the one that I've been telling people to go and get. Well, you know what? I've changed my mind. Go and buy one of these. So once again, that's the Fifine Ampligame A8 microphone. Bought it from Amazon. Go and buy it yourself. Before you buy it though, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. Leave your comments in the box. If you've got any questions about this, leave a comment and I'll answer it. I use the microphone every day, so I can almost certainly answer it for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more of my desk, well, there's a little link there you can click on. So click on that link and you'll be able to see a desk tour where I talk about all of the things that I'm using on my desk. Now go and buy this microphone. It's worth it.